Yes, beta. Here we start with the discussion of the chapter number 3, back exercise questions. I'll send you the subjective assignment. You will do those questions in the notebook. But as you know, this chapter was in the speech bubbles form. It is a new experience for us. And we need to learn the facts from there. So let us see how much you have learned. Yes, Hazel, unmute yourself, beta. Question number 1. Do you think the Indian princes were short-sighted in their approach to the events of 1757? Yes, Hazel.
Yes, the Indian princes were short-sighted in their approach to the events of 1757 as they were always dependent upon British merchants to defeat other kingdoms. Due to such constant fights, people had no peace.
Yes, because they were always seeking help from the Britishers. Short-sighted in the sense they were not united. They were not able to just get that the Britishers, they will one day they will overpower their whole kingdom. Yes, Jatin. Question number 2. How did the East India Company subdue the Indian princes?
The Indian princes were at fight with each other. They called the English merchants to help them in their fights. The rivalries also helped the East India Company to subdue the Indian princes one by one.
Yes. Very nice answer. Next question. Harshbi. Next question. That is, quote the words used by Raja Ram Mohan Roy to say that every religion teaches the same principles.
Raja Ram Mohan Roy said that cows are of different colors, but the color of their milk is same, and in the same way the opinions of every teacher are different, but the essence of every religion is same.
The teaching of all religions is same. The words might be different, but the essence of every religion is same. Means every religion teaches us the same thing. The same means that is humanity. We should help people. We need to be helpful. We should respect our elders. We should serve our elders and so on. Yes, Mandat. Means ethics.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Next question. In what ways did the British officers exploit Indians?
The British rulers passed a resolution under which an Indian could be jailed without trial in a court. The goods manufactured in England were exempted from custom duty. The officers proposed on the company's loot, and their private business flourished.
Yes, beta. Means here we will write about the industry and all. Fine. And for 3 marks, I think 2 or 3 points are enough. Otherwise, there were so many points of exploitation. And you will read in the coming questions also. Yes, just Milan. Question number 5. Name the people. Name the people, part 1. The ruler who fought which battle against British and died fighting?
Tipu Sultan.
Yes, very nice. The person who wanted to reform the society?
Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Very good. Then the person who recommended the introduction of English education in India?
Lord Macaulay.
Macaulay. Lord Macaulay. 2 popular leaders who led the revolt. Leaders in revolution. Yes.
Kuwar Singh Peshwa Nana Sahib.
Yes, Kuwar Singh, Peshwa Rana Sahib or Rani Maharani Jhansi. There are so many freedom fighters, kings who get involved in revolution. Yes, mention the following. 2 examples of social practices prevailing then. Social practices means what was going in the society. Yes, Nandini, can you think of? Yes, Nandini. Two social practices means what was going in the society. Sukhnu.
Untouchability and child marriage.
Yes, beta. Sati pratha, child marriage, untouchability, the discrimination on the name of caste, culture, and creed. Religion, caste, and creed. Yes, two oppressive policies of the Britishers. Two oppressive policies. Yes, Harshvi. Two oppressive policies means how they oppress Indians, exploited Indians. Yes,
Two
beta.
oppressive policies of Indian is that jail without trial in the court and heavy taxes on peasants.
Ashwin, you are very good student. Two oppressive policies, but two oppressive policies, plural beta. Isn't it? Kindly repeat. Repeat your answer, beta.
Two oppressive policies of the British were jail without trial and heavy taxes on peasants.
Yes, very nice. Yes, Jatin. Yes, Jatin. Next, two ways in which common people suffered. Common people, remember? Common people. Yes.
Common people lost their jobs, old jobs and lands. They were being
Why old jobs? Why which old jobs?
which
We are-
was their office,
It
which
was
was
not.
their earlier.
No, beta, it was not that way. But we can say they were appointed on petty jobs. Exploitation क्या था? है ना? Britishers, they were appointed on higher jobs, and even though they learned English, they were appointed at the petty jobs, clerks, as clerks only. Isn't it? Yes, the other one, second one,
They were being converted by the British.
they were
Being converted by the British.
converted. Beta, you should mention what you have read in the chapter. What other? Yes, any other? There were so many means of this torture. They have to pay heavy taxes. Lands of the farmers were taken away. They have to abandon their land due to their loans and all. If they were not able to pay, common people means that resolution 3, that without trial they were jailed. Indians were jailed without trial. Okay, so there are so many. There are so many means of exploitation. The ways in which Indians were exploited. Hope you got it, Jatin.
Yes, ma'am.
See, beta, on this page of, yes, 1 minute, please. This is revolt. This is sparks of revolution. And these are the oppression. The ways in which Indians were exploited. The oppression, this is the main one, where you can get how the Indians were exploited. Okay? See, they were appointed as and the other also. See, the weavers, the artisans, the farmers, they were also, you might have heard that they were supposed to cut their thumbs and all. You might have read in the history. Yes, Jasmine, you want to say something? You want to add? Yes.
Ma'am, I think high taxes should be a point in this.
Yes,
that
beta.
the
Yes,
people have
beta.
to.
People have to pay heavy taxes for import and export, particularly Indians. That was a partiality, na? Then
Ma'am,
Indian.
can we write that?
Yes.
Ma'am, can we write that as a poem? The Indian soldier is less paid than the British soldier as an officer
They
or
were,
as an.
yes, definitely they were appointed at the petty jobs, even as a learned or as the army men. They were given less salary. And this point is also
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
We need to read each bubble attentively. Yes, beta. Next point. Two popular leaders who led the revolt. Sorry. 4 reasons for the discontent that led to the 1857. I think that here you can see Here all the points we have discussed, they are again. Yes, Jasmine? Okay. 4 reasons. Now let's have a look. 4 reasons. How many reasons are there for
And
discontent?
first reason is that the Santhals lose their land because of British, and they were angry because of this, angry and furious, and they led to revolt.
Hmm. Okay.
And the sepoys in the English army are less paid than the British soldier, and
Yes.
so that they were angry.
Hmm.
The Brahmins were also angry because of the bullet bite in it is from the contained cow fat and pig fat,
Yes. Yes. Very good.
and many landlords were angry because the British had taken their land.
Yes. They have to abandon their land. Yes, beta. So here on the next pages, you are having beta reported speech, which you will be doing in coming times, and they are kind of story writing. Fine. And now I think we should start with the poem, that is Macavity. Macavity is the mystery cat. Yes, beta. Macavity, the mystery cat. First, you need to understand the meaning of this mystery. Mystery word means impossible to understand, which cannot be understood. Do you have a pet cat? Pet cat means the character here the poet has chosen. It is not the human being, but he has taken it as a cat. He has taken it as a cat. And let's see who is the poet of the poem. The poet of the poem is T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot was a poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, a literary critic, editor, and one of the 20th century modernist poets. He is one of the very famous poets. Very famous poet in the sense, and you can why he was famous, because he was a poet and he used to write essays. He used to be a publisher also. He was a playwright. Playwright, check this word. Playwright is a writer of a play. Literary critic, who used to criticize, find fault in the literature written by other people, and editor. So let's, the beautiful point he has brought before us. Yes. Macavity. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. For he is a master criminal who can defy the law. Here the poet, he describes a mystery cat before us, beta. You need to keep in mind that he is describing a cat, but it is not actually a cat. Because all the features, all the characteristics he will describe and go on writing side by side. Go on writing side by side, all the points very important. Expressions very important. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. So he is a master criminal. Means he is describing a master criminal before us, a very big criminal who can defy the law, who can violate the law of the country. For he is a master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. But the Scotland Yard or the flying squad is the police of Scotland. Who, जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे CBI होती है ना, that kind of the police. He is the bafflement. Bafflement means utterly he made the flying squad of Scotland confused. कितनी intelligent force होती है ना? So he was able to confuse the flying squad of Scotland, and he was the reason of their despair. Despair means loss of hope. Means they just lost their hope that they could get this Macavity. For when they reached the scene, for means because when they reach the scene, Macavity is not there. Means whenever they reach the spot of the crime, they were not able to catch this, arrest this Macavity. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. See here the poet he prays Macavity. There is no one like Macavity. Anna using we feel like that he is praising Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. But he has not. This Macavity, the poet says, he has not violated the law, the rules. Rather, he breaks the law of gravity. Law of gravity means gravity kya hota hai? Gravity make us walk on the earth. You know the Newton law of gravity na? Manna, do you know? Law of gravity na? Which make us stand on the earth. Hai na? Okay. Now, the poet says that he breaks this law also. Means he does not walk on the earth. His powers of levitation. कैसे violate करते हैं? You might be asked question. How he break the law of gravity? Because his power of levitation. He has power of levitation. But you might be asked this vocabulary. What do you understand by levitation? Levitation is floating in the air. That's why I have written all this vocabulary here. Fine. Levitation means his powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. Now, what is a fakir? Fakir is a man who has some spiritual powers. जिनके पास कोई magical system, संत फकीर बोलते हैं. संत फकीर क्यों मानते हैं? क्योंकि हम मानते हैं कि उनके पास कुछ ऐसी supernatural powers होती हैं. ठीक है? उसके पास अब ये Macavity के पास जो power है, that is floating in the air, power of levitation, make the fakir stare. ये फकीर को भी stare means watching something surprisingly. Even make the fakir surprised. Even fakir is shocked. How this Macavity has this power? Because only supernatural. This is supernatural power floating in the air. No common person can do this. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. Sometimes he is in the basement. Basement, you understand now? है ना, building के नीचे जो होता है, that is basement. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity is a ginger cat. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Here the author describes the Macavity, his physical appearance. It is a ginger cat, means he belongs to cat family. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. But in coming paragraph, the poet is going to describe the Macavity. You have a question also. You have long questions also. You may get the description of Macavity also. So all these points are there. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. Sunken in समझते हो ना, जो आंखों में गड्ढे पड़े होते हैं. Sometimes the people they have puffy eyes. Puffy eyes क्या होता है? The skin below the eyes of a person, they are raised. But here, the eyes of this Macavity, they are sunken in. अंदर को गड्ढे. His brow is deeply lined with thoughts. You need to understand deeply lined with thoughts क्या होता है? Means when you think something. When I gave you some query, आपको कोई मैं बात आपसे question put करती हूँ, and you started thinking. और ऐसे कई बार हमारे फेस पे एक्सप्रेशन आते हैं. हमारा फोरहेड है, वहां पर रिंकल्स दिखाई देंगे, आपकी आई श्रिंक हो जाएंगी. सो हिज ब्रो मींस आईब्रोज. हिज ब्रो इज डीपली लाइंड विद थॉट्स. आप उसका फेस देखेंगे ना, सी द फेस ऑफ Macavity. दिस इज लाइंड ब्रोज. हिज हेड इज हाईली डोम. Dome जो होता है, ये we usually see this kind of dome on the building of mandirs, temples and gurudwaras. ऊपर जो बना होता है ना dome, that is raised area. Dome is the raised area. So Macavity, he is having this kind of the eyes, wrinkles on their brow and forehead, and highly domed head. Yes, his coat is dusty from neglect. Dusty from neglect means he didn't bother about his clothes. They are dusty. His whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers means having hair on the face or beard, you can say in other words. He sways his head from side to side. Sway होता है बेटा swing करना. He sway his head from side to side with movements like a snake. जैसे snake walk करता है. The same way, not walk, we can say the movement of the snake. He sways his head from side to side, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. When you think that he is sleeping, he is not actually sleeping, he is wide awake. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend. Fiend means evil spirit. In feline shape. Feline shape means in the shape of a cat. But actually a monster of depravity. Depravity means moral corruption. He does not have any moral values. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, sometimes he is in the street, sometimes he is in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. Means when you try, or when the squad, they wanted to just get this Macavity, arrest this Macavity, he is nowhere. So beta, this is very nicely poem and a very beautiful poem where the poet, he described the Macavity as, or a criminal as a cat.